to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cold pasta, macaroni cold pasta that I know you guys are going to love. Perfect for this summer. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: salt, black pepper, mustard, jalapeno slices, mayonnaise, sour cream, corn, 1 red bell pepper, ham slices, and the elbow pasta. This is everything we need to make this delicious pasta at home. So let's get started.
I have already boiling water, and to this I am going to add some salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then I am ready to add the elbow pasta. I'm going to add everything in here. I'm going to make sure that I move it around so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And look at this. When you add the pasta with boiling water, it stops for just a little bit, but it will continue boiling. Just make sure that you add the salt and the tablespoon of the vegetable oil so the pasta will not stick to each other. And here I am ready with my bell pepper. It's nice and washed. I want to show you that I take the core of the bell pepper off. This really, we don't need it, and the seeds, I'm going to remove that very carefully. Just be careful that you don't cut yourself, and then I'm going to start slicing it. I want to slice it in very thin slices and then cut it in little squares. You want to make sure that all your veggies and your meat is cut in little squares, just like that, so everything incorporates perfectly. Okay, I'm going to add all my bell pepper here. And I am going to continue with my ham. I'm going to go ahead and just slice it and then cut it in little squares. Look at this. This pasta really comes out so delicious. It's just amazing. Perfect for this hot weather, especially when we're barbecuing and we want something to combine our chicken or our carne asada with. This is a perfect side dish. Here I have my jalapenos. These jalapenos are not too spicy, but yet if you don't like spicy food, just add 1 or 2, that's fine. I'm adding a little more because it really gives it a delicious kick, a delicious flavor. So I'm going to continue cutting the jalapenos in very little pieces, just like that. Once I'm done, I'm going to incorporate everything to the same plate, and the colors look amazing. Let me show you. I have the jalapenos here, the bell pepper, and the ham, and I'm going to reserve it. Let's see how the pasta is doing. You want to make sure that your pasta is al dente. You don't want to overcook your pasta. You want to make sure that the pasta is still a little firm to the touch, and that's when you know that your pasta is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all the liquid, but yet I'm not going to rinse it. I'm just going to add everything in here. I'm going to let it cool down just a little bit, and I'm going to continue making that delicious sauce. I'm going to start with the mayonnaise, and then I'm going to continue with the sour cream. Of course, if you don't want to add the sour cream, just add the mayonnaise, but I like to do it this way because it's a little more less calories. Now I'm ready to add the salt, the black pepper, and the mustard, and I'm going to incorporate everything completely, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Once this is done, I'm going to continue by adding the pasta. I'm going to add all the pasta in here, and when I am completely done, I'm going to make sure that I incorporate the pasta completely so it's completely covered with this delicious sauce. After I incorporate everything perfectly, I'm going to start adding my corn, adding the jalapenos, the red bell pepper, and of course the ham. And look at all these delicious colors. Look at this. You could see the yellow, the green, the red, and the ham. Look at this. This looks amazing. I know that once you try it at home, you're going to continue making this delicious pasta at home. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. Take your time making this delicious pasta. I'm going to incorporate everything in here, making sure that everything is covered with that delicious sauce. Once this is done, well, you know something? I am ready. I am ready to prepare my plate. I added some crackers, and look at this, all those beautiful colors. I am so ready to enjoy it. I can't wait to taste it. This looks amazing. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and creamy albo pasta. You know something? When you add those jalapenos, it really gives it a delicious flavor, but yet it's not spicy. It just gives it a little kick. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some crackers, and let me see how this tastes. The jalapeno really gave it a delicious and amazing taste. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. This cold pasta is perfect for this summer. If you're grilling those delicious chicken breasts or even carne asada, this is a great combination. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this creamy, delicious pasta made at home, because when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.